Welcome back to week 15 of ITS 129. For this week, we take a look at joins and assignment 14. Now, in assignment 14, I got some basic, we'll be using Henry's books to create some join queries. First, though, I'd like you to take a look at my tutorial that I have. Just kind of test it out yourself. Take a look at what an inner join looks like, and then a left join, and then a right join. And then we'll have, as a final question, we'll be talking about something called a full outer join, which Microsoft Access does not support. So please go to the tutorial first. Yeah. As far as the assignments, it's very basic. We're using Henry's books again. And it says for Henry's book, for each book, list the book title, publisher code, and publisher's name. Now, once again, if you look at the schema, we need to get the book and the publisher table in there. Now, I'm going to work a little bit backwards, right? I'm going to work a little bit backwards, and I'm going to create the query. Just kind of take a look at it from what we know. So I'm going to answer number 2 first before we go to number 1. So again, I'm going to go to my SQL query. So again, what we wanted to do was we said, I want to get the book title and the publisher code, and the publisher name. Now, we're going to do it the old-fashioned way, from publisher, code, right? And, book. And where publisher dot publisher code is equal to book dot publisher code, right? And I forgot to do the have to tell where I'm getting it from, so I'm just going to say publisher. Okay, so now this is the way that we've done it, right? So this is what we know. So if I did this, book title, not book title, title. Just title, just plain old title. Yeah. So I have 33 records. Yeah, this is when I join both the publisher table and the book table. Yeah, so this is what we know. This is the way we've done it before. So actually, I'm gonna copy this because it's my answer for number 2. My answer for number 2 is that. That's how we did it before. Now, what we need to do now is we're going to be using something called an inner join. So the syntax is a little bit different. Okay, so we do it here like this, right? So the first part pretty much stays the same. But now what we're going to be doing is calling something called an inner join. Yeah? And as you go through the tutorial, you're going to see the benefits of doing a join. What we're going to be doing is, we're going to be creating a join, right, on book. Get rid of that dot over there. And instead of where, what we say is on. A little bit different syntax, right? Little bit different syntax over there. Yeah, you see that? But as we run it, you're going to see that the results are exactly the same. Exactly the same. So then you say, Dewan, why should I do it this way if I'm so comfortable with the where statement? And that's fine, because when you use the inner join, really it does act like a where statement. Yeah. But let me show you a couple things, and this will be with regard to question number 8 in the assignment. And by the way, I'm going to copy this, and this is my answer for number 1. Where's my number 1 over here is my answer for number 1. Yeah. Now, I'm going to do just this thing over here called a right join. Yeah. So what it does is it takes all the records in one table, which is the second, the left, the second table that you join on, which is book. Yeah. And then you're going to take all of the information there, and then you're going to join it with the first table. Now let's go see what that does. So with the where statement, the inner join statement, we had 33 records. Let's see how much we got. Oh, we still got 33 records over there. But see, there are there are more books that, does. So if we look at the publisher table, there are actually more publishers. Some publishers like JT over here have no books, right? JP does have 3 books. So what we want to do is we want to go ahead and find all of these guys. But what we did was with this join statement, we took all of the information because it's the right one, right? The right statement is the second table that's declared. Left is the first table that's declared. So once again, there are some publishers that are listed in the publisher table that do not have a book published yet within Henry's Bookstores. Okay, so again, once again, this one has pretty much the same over here because it takes all of the information of the books. Yeah, just so happen every book has a publisher, but not every publisher has a book. So I'm going to go to that again. This time I'm going to do a left join. Yeah. Now watch what happens when I do it this way. So what happens is, once again, I have some publishers like AHAP that do not have a book in Henry's Bookstore, JT. They don't have a book inside there. Some have a couple, LP, yeah. So, that's one of the benefits of doing a left join and a right join. So again, the left is always the first table declared. The right is always the second table declared. And what it does is, you can say, okay, give me the names of all my customers that made a purchase since December 1, right? So you're going to have all your customers, yeah, but not all of your customers made a purchase since December 1. So if you wanted to get all of the customers, and then if they bought anything, then you would do a left join. Yeah, so you could do it that way. So this would be used in question number 8. Yeah, and I'd like you to try and see if you can do it. Yeah, and that's assignment 14.